Hello, welcome to another musical instrument video with Logo Movie Bros. Today I'll be talking about these. Coming to the end now of the sort of mini-series on ducted flutes. So I have this toy whistle and this toy whistle. There's not much really to say about them. This one has seven holes. This one has 4. That little white bit there, that's the ducting in the mouthpiece. That comes out, actually, I found out, if you drop it anyway. So this is what this one sounds like. And here's what this one sounds like. It's just a bit of fun for the kids, isn't it? It's not really useful at all. Maybe as a good sound effect. For the wind. Anyway, only a short video today. Thank you for watching.